'twas the night before Christmas, when all through the vans not a station was stirring, no waves reaching the lands, when what to my wandering ears should appear but a jolly radio host with holiday cheer, and with a...
What? Oh, sorry, Neve.
What are you doing? I'm literally in the middle of this.
We've got a video.
I wrote that, I literally made this specifically for the Christmas special.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was just coming to tell you that we need to, crack on.
What you've just done is ruin the Christmas blooming special. I'm not doing the video. I'm not. You can call me Diva all you want. I'm not doing it.
What if I give you a mince pie?
This video is made by Radio.co. To start your free Radio.co trial in seconds, head to Radio.co and click on the pricing page.
Ho 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 and happy holidays to you one and all. I'm here to stuff your stocking filled with lots of festive ideas for your radio station this Christmas. We know the Scrooges out there might be thinking, that's naff, I won't bother. And to that we say, Ebenezer, you are missing a trick, so hear me out. Now it goes without saying that Christmas seeps into every single business out there from around about November the 1st marketing wise, and there's a good reason for that. It's celebrated the world over, and even those who don't celebrate Christmas will still partake in the odd Christmassy bit here and there. It's essentially the biggest audience you will get the whole year for your content. Hello, Santa and his elves could be tuning into Wham if you're busting out the festive tunes on your station. Anyway, making festive content increases your visibility enormously with a new audience who are just out there seeking out festive vibes. Not to mention, you could increase your station's revenue tenfold. Christmas is, of course, the most important part of the year for consumership, so businesses are on the lookout for partnerships, advertisements, etc., etc. Festive content could score you with a firm advertiser for the season. Making Christmas content opens those doors for holiday partnerships, sponsorships, deals, etc., etc. on all products and services. But most importantly, you should be thinking about making festive content for your listeners' enjoyment. Christmas is quite an emotional time, remember, and some people might be spending the season alone. You guys should know better than anyone how much people connect to the radio, and Christmas content could be a real comfort. And remember, listeners are loyal. So if people feel connected to your station during the holidays, then they're likely to feel more connected in future and keep coming back time and time again to tune into your station. Are you convinced? Are you done grinching it out? Well, if that's the case, then let's go ahead and dive headfirst into these festive ideas for your radio station. Holiday music marathons. Here's the pitch. Dedicate specific hours or days to play non-stop Christmas music. It might sound like hell if you've ever worked in retails, but listen, listeners love this kind of thing. Just think of the success of Xmas. A fun idea to engage your listeners further could be to do a holiday countdown of their favourite songs. Get your listeners to vote on their favourite Christmas tune. You could encourage participation through social media or by calling into the station. A little friendly competition never hurt anyone. Even if we do know that Fairy Tale of New York is the best Christmas song. Argue in the comments. I don't care. Gift giveaways. Now we know not every radio station has the funds to be giving away a Bentley, but it doesn't mean that you can't do a gift giveaway that's going to benefit you and your listenership. Now this can work particularly well if you're a local radio station and you cater to your community. Here's the idea. Organise Christmas-themed competitions or trivia questions, and the prizes can be given to you by local businesses. How will you partner up with the local businesses? You get sponsorships, you help each other out. Radio is all about community after all. It can be anything from gift cards, holiday hampers, vouchers to local businesses. Again, you can get people to enter by liking or sharing a social media post, thereby getting your name more out there, or by getting people to call in and completing some sort of Christmas challenge, so then you're using it for entertainment value as well. Whatever the case, you'd be getting notoriety, money and sponsorship from local businesses, and in return you'd be supporting them as well and supporting your local community. Yeah, it's a win-win. Create some holiday soundscapes. So, you're broadcasting on a December evening. You're trying to cultivate the perfect Christmassy vibes for your listener. But but you're feeling it's missing something? How about elevating your festive broadcast with some soundscapes? Create special audio tracks of holiday sounds. Think crackling fireplaces or carolers, Christmassy sounds, the whole like. These will help to set the Christmas mood during your Christmas broadcast. You could pop these in the background. For this time of year, it is. Get some guest DJs or celebrities on. Christmas is a special time of year, so your Christmas broadcasts have to feel special. They can't be the usual Monday morning fare, they've got to be kicked up a notch. So here's a suggestion. If you've got the means, invite local celebrities, personalities, or even an up-and-coming talent to either co-host the show or do a guest spot on the show. If it's a name that people are familiar with, you'll get new people tuning in and you'll create a great festive memory with your radio station, so they're likely to come back. If you can't financially incentivise it to your guests, we've got an idea for that as well. Provide them with the knowledge that this is a great chance to get some notoriety. It's perfect to get some good festive publicity. Give them creative freedom and direction of the show, so make it their show. Whatever you do, make it guest-led. They could share their favourite holiday memories, play some festive songs. And if you think you've got a big name, you could even do a call-in section where you get fans to call in and have a little Christmas chat with their favourite star. And hey, if you can't get Mariah Carey to appear, that's okay. The word celebrity is thrown around loosely these days anyway. Why, you could ask Phil. He's available the whole holiday season, aren't you, Phil? Hey? Yeah.
Anytime.
Yeah. Anyway, whatever the case, it's great to have a reputable name and face for your radio station. Santa Hotline. Now, this is a really schmaltzy one for the aforementioned Scrooges out there, and I don't care because it's cute. Okay, it's very cute. Anyway, if you've got a young listenership or you're a family-appropriate station, then this is an adorable Christmas idea, trust me. Create a Santa hotline whereby children can call in, leave voicemails, or they could even talk to one of your hosts, pretending to be Santa himself. Was that him then? Not only are you making the children of your listeners happy, but you're also sparking a lot of engagement and discussion online and in person. People in offices by the water cooler will say, "Hey, didn't you hear that cutie on the radio last night?" Not you, Phil. Not you, Phil. Anyway, not only is it a heartwarming listen for all those involved, but if a child rings in and has a burning wish to meet, say, an ex-celebrity, then you could make that happen just by airing that wish. Phil. Nobody wants to. Phil. Nobody wants to meet you, Phil. Okay. You're not a celebrity. Why do you think you're this big deal? Just get out my video. Come on, get down. Anyway.
Oh, well done. Now you've upset Phil.
What?
He's in floods of tears down there. What am I going to tell his mother?
I was just trying to make
Unbelievable.
festive. Live festive performances. Speaking of getting some community joy and Christmas spirit within your station, here's a doozy. Organise live performances or interviews with local bands, artists, choirs, etc. And of course, get them to perform holiday songs. It's fun, it's festive, it's something different, and your listeners can even request that they perform a particular song. And there will be so many smaller artists out there who would jump at the chance for some free radio time, so it benefits everyone, really. You could even repurpose the content and film the recording to upload onto your radio station's social media. There's a reason that BBC Radio 1's Live Lounge is so successful. People love live music. They love watching it and they love listening to it. So why not use the most wonderful time of the year to spotlight some nice carols and that, eh? Christmas-themed shows. Plan special Christmas shows and segments on your station. These can be centred around Christmas traditions, memories. There's endless opportunities for audience participation too. I mean, how about call in and tell us about your most embarrassing Christmas moment? Tell us what you're having for your Christmas dinner. What's your favourite Christmas movie? And why is it The Muppets Christmas Carol? It might seem mundane to you, but it's great engaging content for your listeners. They're already feeling festive, so help to get them even more in the mood. You could stagger these throughout the month, or why not plan a Christmas Eve special? Christmas Eve family traditions vary from family to family. Some people like to get out the Trivial Pursuit and have a nice dinner, bit of cheese, bit of wine. Others like to get blackout drunk on eggnog by 8 a.m. Whatever your Christmas tradition, chances are they include some sort of Christmas special. Be that a TV broadcast, a radio broadcast, a movie. Whatever the case, Christmas specials are big. So why not plan a special broadcast to go out on Christmas Eve? You could have one with calming music, relaxing Christmas stories, and messages of gratitude for that lovely holiday spirit. Or you can cater to the drunk off eggnog crowd with some heavy metal carol covers. Whatever the direction of your show or station, a Christmas Eve special is a great idea. And remember, it has to be on Christmas Eve, not Christmas Day. On Christmas Eve, people are more likely to be driving home for Christmas Chris Rea style, or relaxing and winding down ready for the big day ahead. Besides, on Christmas Day, everyone's far too busy dying on the sofa stuffed with turkey to tune into your show. Sorry. So let your radio station be a treasured memory in people's Christmas traditions. We hope you've enjoyed our Christmassy, festive, lovely seasonal tips on what to do on your radio station this Christmas. We want to know what you've been getting up to on your radio station these past Christmases. We want to know if you're going to implement any of our ideas. We want to know it all. So please do let us know in the comments. Seriously though, a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, from all of us here at Radio.co.
So what, do you just keep these in your pocket?
I literally go nowhere without them.
And just before you go, have you ever thought about launching your very own internet radio station? Surprisingly, it's a lot easier than you may think, especially when you make the time to chat to myself or a member of the Radio.co team. To do just that, head to our website, radio.co/demo, where I can talk about your plans, any questions you may have, and me and the team can really get you up to speed in launching your own internet radio station in literally minutes. It couldn't be easier. Why not check out some of our webinars, tutorials, help guides situated around me? Or why not visit our website, radio.co, or even drop me an email, studio@radio.co. Until next time, take care and happy broadcasting.